Namaste. Happy Diwali to everybody.
Diwali is a festival of light and color for us. In India, they celebrate everywhere, and all the Indians, all the religions, the main part of it is to celebrate a festival together. Communities like that, they'll celebrate with the fireworks, sweets, and they have new dresses.
Diwali is very important. It's about talking to people, meeting people, and having a good time.